What's up everybody, I hope you're all doing well, and as you know we are generally creating contents about the financial instruments and investment instruments, financial advancements, but today's topic is something different, and today we're gonna talk about product safety awareness, one of the most important topics in our daily lives. Let's talk detailed in the video. Did you know a pool cleaner robot caused a house fire? Are the products in your home truly safe? Let's talk about the hidden dangers and how to protect your loved ones. So, one of the main examples of these safety products is Aiper pool robot. And I'm gonna show you guys Aiper pool robot fires and what are the reasons of this fire and how can we prevent it. As you know guys, the Aiper pool robot, prized for its affordability, recently caused a serious fire. But why? Water leaked into its circuits after use, leading to a short circuit during charging. This highlights the risks of low-cost products where quality is often compromised for price. And another case is can be include dishwasher, microwaves. So this isn't an isolated issue guys. Faulty appliances like dishwashers and microwaves are common culprits of household fires. Regular maintenance and safety checks are crucial for these products. Safety starts with proactive and smart choices that protect both your home and your family. So one of the main steps is choosing certified products that meet safety standards. These ensure quality and reliability. Regular maintenance of your appliances is crucial, keeping them in good working condition and preventing accidents like electrical malfunction or fires. Staying informed about product recalls is another essential practice, as it allows you to address potential hazards before they become serious problems. Additionally, educating yourself and your loved ones about proper usage, installation, and maintenance of household items can reduce risk significantly. Simple actions like checking smoke detectors, keeping fire extinguishers handy, and being aware of emergency protocols can make a big difference. By staying vigilant and taking these measures, you can create a safer, more secure environment for your family and your home and loved ones. Be safe, guys.